this is how it is. We ask a series of questions we'll put to each team, and then they have the chance to come up with the best, most creative, most innovative answer. I think we all fantasize about wastewater.
That's what inventions are all about.
And what about our board members panel that we saw today? It was great hearing from such senior executives talk about their experience and how we can better implement an innovative culture in our own lives.
Absolutely. And, we had some of the sponsors on the panel as well. And I guess just hearing both those challenges from the private sector and the public sector and how we actually should be collaborating more together. And of course, emceed by Hugh Durham-White, who
He's incredible.
was just incredible. But there were some really good takeaways in terms of some practical things that Sydney Water can be doing just to drive that culture more.
I've been checking in with our design sprint teams and the ideas they're coming up with are amazing. I can't wait to see.
I think they've said it's almost like running a marathon. They are going to come out with some really tangible outcomes and things that we can practically do, at least in the next sort of 12 to 18 months.
I don't want to spoil the outcome, but what about the brilliant debate we just witnessed?
The voting's still underway.
I feel like Australia's better at innovation than the UK.
Well, that'd be my thoughts as well, but I guess we better leave it up to the people to decide.
One of my highlights from today was the Shark Tanks we had. We saw about 15 different technologies. The votes are still coming in. We'll find out the winners tomorrow. What about this morning's Winang-ali panel session? We had a whole range of Indigenous representatives talking to us about how water connects us to the landscape. I think we've got so much to learn from the traditional custodians of our lands and waterways on how we can better manage the environment and look after it for generations to come.
And the fact that we've just released our new Reconciliation Action Plan, it's just really good timing to be having those sort of discussions.
Can we teach this elephant to dance, which I think is really an imperative for us.
Innovation is creating new value. Are we set up to succeed? Am I confident? Do I feel safe that I can share these ideas? And do I believe that they're going to have the ability to run the course?
Creativity and innovation exists in all of us, I think is very true. So an organisation therefore needs to provide leadership, but it needs to show that it values the innovative ideas of our people.
I don't want Sydney Water to be a legacy organisation. I want us to be a world-leading utility that everyone looks up and says, look at Sydney Water, look at the great things they did. Wow, we don't want to be a legacy organisation.
Let us know in the YouTube comments what your favourite event from today was. We had the Winang-ali panel, the Shark Tanks, the exec panel discussion and the brilliant debate.